Hi everyone, I'm Wendy. Summer is winding down, but there's still tons of great summer produce out there. So today I'm showing you some of the meals that I've been eating lately using summer produce, including this green bean salad recipe, which is what we're going to start with. As many of you may know, I'm part of a CSA, which means I get fresh produce from a local farmer each week. And we've been getting absolutely gorgeous green beans the last couple of weeks. I love just eating plain old steamed green beans, but I also love turning it into a green bean salad with just a few other ingredients. There will be a link below the video to the full recipe with all of the exact measurements. So we started by adding the trimmed and washed green beans to a steamer pot on the stovetop. And you can see over there on the right side is a tray of breaded eggplant, which I'll talk about a little later. To the green beans, we also added some chopped fresh garlic, and we put the lid on and steamed them for about 7 minutes. Once that was finished, we added the green beans and garlic to a large mixing bowl. Then we added chopped red onions, some chopped tomatoes, also fresh from our CSA, and then normally for this salad we would like to use fresh basil, but we didn't have any this week, so we're using dried basil. The fresh basil definitely takes this salad to the next level, but dried will do in a pinch. Then we simply dress it with balsamic vinegar and a little bit of tahini. If you need to omit the tahini for any reason, I think the salad is also great with just the balsamic vinegar alone. The tahini adds just a little bit of extra richness. Then after you mix everything together, this is ready to serve right away if you'd like it warm, but you can also chill it and serve it cold. On this day, we had it with my mom's baked beans, a homemade potato salad, which I just shared last week, and these breaded eggplant, which use the same recipe as the breaded zucchini that I shared back around New Year's. I'll include a link here with a playlist of all of these recipes. Next up, I wanted to show you a sampling of some meals that I've been eating recently using the abundance of summer veggies we're getting right now. We love to get organic sweet corn whenever it's available, so we recently had that along with my bean patties, potato wedges, and a side salad. We don't eat any butter or oil in my house, so we simply top our corn with a salt-free seasoning. I really love Well Your World's Stardust on my corn on the cob. Then on another day, we had hummus sandwiches with some gorgeous local lettuce and tomatoes, and we made rice paper bacon to go on top. Then I've also been getting lots of spicy peppers in my CSA. We got a lot of serrano peppers, which I used to make chana masala. This is not my recipe, but I will put a link below the video with the recipe that I used. I simply omitted the oil from the recipe because I'm oil-free. I had that over brown rice with potatoes and kale, and then a nice bowl of cucumbers, peppers, and tomatoes from the CSA. I also used some of those spicy peppers to make a taco filling out of riced cauliflower. I cooked that with some taco seasonings and put that in corn tortillas and topped it with my Rotel dip. I didn't get a picture of it, but I also had some more of the fresh local lettuce, tomatoes, and peppers with these tacos. And mostly I've just been doing lots of big salads lately. Here's another day with a big salad along with leftovers of the chana masala. And here's another big salad that I topped with kidney beans and ate along with potatoes and a nectarine. So that's just a sampling of what I've been eating lately. If you need more meal inspiration, you can check out my What I Eat in a Day playlist. I hope you also enjoy that green bean salad, and again, that recipe is linked below the video. As always, I appreciate when you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.